Magandang araw po sa ating lahat para po sa ating Bible knowledge of the day. Proverbs 16:20, sabi ng Bible, He that handleth a matter wisely shall find good, but whoso trusteth in the Lord, happy is he. So, happy is he po ang ating title po sa ating pag-aaralan ng ating Bible knowledge of the day. At ang wisely po dyan ay circumspect, alright? Expert, to be prudent, wisely understand. So, talagang magaling, di ba? Naunawaan niya, eksperto. Alright? Yung good naman po dyan ay tov sa Hebrew, well, ibig sabihin, or precious prosperity. Ang binigyan ng Concordance Dictionary. Yung trusted naman po dyan, be confident or sure. Or to trust, make hope. Yung Lord, of course, ang ating Panginoon, the self-existent God who created the heaven and the earth. Diba? So, He is the God ng langit at lupa at nag-create ng tao. Alright, so sabi ng Bible, ay he that handleth a matter wisely shall find good. Kung alam mong i-handle ang mga bagay-bagay ng naunawaan mo at eksperto ka, ay nakikita mo ang kabuuan yan, shall find good. Of course, diba? Magiging well ka magiging precious, magiging prosperity ka, prosperous ka. Kasi, nahahandle mo ng maayos yung mga magaganda, di ba? At alam niyo po, kailangan po ganyan tayo. You handle a matter wisely upang maging good ang kalalabasan niyan. When it comes to financial, handle your financial wisely. Your family, handle your family wisely, di ba? And yung trabaho mo, handle it wisely kasi kung hindi, matatanggal ka, mawawalan ka ng trabaho. Yung negosyo mo, handle it wisely kasi malulugi ka, mababankrupt ka. Diba? Ang sabi ng Bible, and, may karugtong, conjunction word dyan. And, whoso trusted in the Lord, happy is he. So, kumbaga, nahahandle mo na yung mga bagay-bagay na kailangan mo sa iyong pamilya, trabaho, pag-aaral, negosyo, ano pa man, wisely, ay meron ka ng good na buhay, di ba? Pero, sabi pa dyan, and, whoso trusted in the Lord, happy is he. Dapat, hindi mo lang na-handle ng maayos yung buhay mo wisely, alright? Kundi nagtitiwala ka pa sa Diyos. Kasi maaring na-handle mo yung mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo wisely, pero kung wala kang tiwala sa Diyos, mawawala rin yan. Pwedeng mababangkrap yan, pwedeng malulugi yan, pwedeng masira yan, di ba? Kaya nga pinakamaganda, trust in the Lord. Alright? Put your confidence. Because putting our confidence in God ay nagiging sure po ang ating buhay. So, trust in the Lord. And the Bible says, happy is he. So, saka ka lang magiging masayang tunay pagka ikaw ay nagtiwala sa Diyos. Put God first in your life and make Him the center of your family, studies, and trabaho, career, and business. Okay? Sa ating pong principles of the day, trusting in the Lord is better than trying through your strength. So, mas maganda po yung magtiwala. Trusting the Lord, number 2, in times of testing, keeps you happy. Okay? Yan po ang ating Bible knowledge of the day. God bless you po.